morning children. Today I am going to recall the previous lesson, sources of food. Okay, already you learn it for the sources of food. First one, function of food. Function of food. First one, function of food. Function of food for first step, growth, repair, produce energy. Already you learn it, okay. All living things need to food. Okay, food. Food contains many nutrients. The growth is it is essential for growth into baby. We need food to essential growth of baby grow to adult. Okay, next one, produce energy, repair the tissues. Also you already learn it. Next one, variety of food. Different varieties of food are in northern Indians and southern Indians. Okay, and the northern Indians only used the stable food for chapati. Say stable food for chapati and buri. Only make it in the used for wheat. Okay, the southern people stable foods are rice for of living the people living there. It is make it used curd rice. Idli and dosa. Next you learn from the edible parts of the plants. All the plants are store the food in the edible part. The edible part for root, leaves, stem region, flower, fruit and seed. The edible part of the root is example for beetroot, carrot. Leaves are cabbage. Stem region is the edible part of the stem region. The plant is grow in the plant tapioca, ginger and turmeric. Flower in cauliflower, banana flower. Next one, fruit, guava, tomato, many fruits, guava, apple are the edible parts of the fruits. Only eat on the fruits. Okay, seeds are wheat, rice, maize, etc. Wheat, maize, etc. Next you learn from next one. Food for animals. For animals food. Animals, the food for feed the food for animals are divided into several categories: herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, scavengers and parasites. Already you learned it. Herbivorous are plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals are called herbivorous. Animal flesh-eating or animal-eating animals are called carnivorous. Omnivorous means eat on animals and plants. Omnivorous. And scavengers are dead animals are of carnivorous and omnivorous. Only eat on the dead animals. It is keep the surrounding only clean. Okay, parasites are divided into two: ectoparasite and endoparasite. Ecto and endo. Ectoparasite are living beings outside body. Example for lice, ticks, bed bugs are the ectoparasite. Endoparasite are in the human beings intestine, living inside the body. For the ascaris, tapeworm, etc. Next one, food chain. Food chain is all the animals are interdependent by the plants. For example, plants eat, grass eats, grass eaten by zebra, zebra eaten by lion. Okay, already their sources of food lessons already you learn it for, learn finished for, already learn finished. Okay, next one, today I am going to teach the second topic, components of food. Components of food. Components of food. Components of food. All living thing, all living organism need to food to survive. Food has many nutrients. Food has many nutrients. Food has many nutrients. You feed on the nutrients for to live and grow. It may give the various all activities. They help us to various activity. The nutrients are divided into different types. 5 types. Different types, divided into different types. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Second one, fats. Fourth one, proteins. Fifth one, vitamins, minerals, and water. How many types of nutrients? First one, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and water. First of all, you learn carbohydrates. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. Energy giving food. All carbohydrates food are found in the starch and sugars. Starch and sugars. Found in starch and sugar for the all the carbohydrates foods are. Okay, the carbohydrates are divided into 2 types. First one, simple sugar. Simple carbohydrates, simple carbohydrates, complex carbohydrates. Simple and complex carbohydrate. Okay, the simple carbohydrates are sugar, simple sugar. The simple carbohydrates have a sugar. The sugars such as mixed with sugar. Sugar such as pear, jack, or the many sugar found in the simple carbohydrate. The simple carbohydrate, the honey also sugar, simple sugar, honey also, so simple sugar, simple sugar, simple sugar. Next to next one, complex carbohydrate. Complex carbohydrates are this side fully sugar. Complex carbohydrates are rice, wheat, oats, maize, some pulses also, Bengal gram, green gram, some pulses also have a carbohydrate. Next to the sources of the carbohydrate for the tapioca, potato and some vegetables, carrot also found in the carbohydrates. Okay, that is the complex carbohydrate. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates. During digestion, the complex carbohydrates are break down into simple sugar. Simple sugar. The sugar, second point, the sugar absorbed by the blood as it transport to the cell. Transport to the cell. Transport to the cell. First point, during digestion, the complex carbohydrates are break down into simple sugar. The simple sugars are absorbed by the blood and it transport to the cell. The cells are found in the body. Many cells are found in the body. Okay, it is transport to the cell. Next point. Next point, during respiration, the sugar molecules released the sugar molecules release energy. During respiration of the cell, the sugar molecules release energy. Last one, The energy used by the cell to carry different functions in our body. Are you understand, children? First one, the carbohydrates are divided into simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are simple sugar. Next one, complex carbohydrates are during digestion the complex carbohydrates break down into simple sugar. The sugar absorbed by the blood and it transport to the cell. During respiration of the cell, the sugar molecule release energy. The energy used by the cell to carry different function in our body. Okay. Next one, fat. Next one, fat. Fat also energy giving food. The sources of the fats are ghee, butter, egg and vegetable oil. These are the sources of fat. Fat is the unsaturated and saturated fat. They are divided into two types, saturated and unsaturated fat. Fats are also known as the storehouse of energy. Another one point is it is the storehouse of energy. Saturated fat and unsaturated fats are, it is solidify room temperature. Solidify room temperature. This one is unsaturated fat or liquid room temperature. Solidify and liquid room temperature for the saturated and unsaturated fat. The example for the solidified saturated fats are butter, ghee. Liquefy unsaturated fat are vegetable oil. Okay, children. Fat is the storehouse of energy and energy giving food. The sources of the fats are ghee, butter, egg and vegetable oil. Fats are divided into two types, saturated fat and unsaturated fat. Saturated fats are solidified room temperature and unsaturated fat are liquid room temperature. Example for saturated fat is butter and ghee. The unsaturated fat are example for vegetable oil. Next you learn from proteins. Proteins are body building materials. body builders. It is the carbohydrates are proteins are body builders. Body builders. Proteins are the sources of proteins are mutton, all meat, chicken, milk, oil are the sources of protein. Soya bean is the richest protein in the plant. Soya beans richest protein found in the plant. Richest protein in the soya beans. Next one, the proteins are protect the bone out of the tissue. Protect the bone out of the tissues. Bone out of the tissues. Next one, vitamins. Next one, vitamins. Vitamins are body regulators. Vitamins are body regulators. Vitamins are body regulators. It is the protective food also. Protective food. The vitamins are water soluble vitamin and fat soluble vitamin. Water soluble, two types of the vitamins, water solubles and fat soluble vitamins. The fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins are, it is dissolved in water. Dissolved means கரைதல், தண்ணியில மட்டும்தான் கரையும். Dissolved in water. Example for water soluble vitamins are and fat soluble vitamins, divided into two types, water soluble and fat soluble. Water soluble vitamins are, it is dissolved in water, vitamin B and C. Vitamin B and C are only dissolved in water. Fat soluble vitamins are, it is dissolved in fat. Vitamin A, K and D are fat soluble vitamin. Okay. The components of the food of the nutrients are divided into one time. I will revise it. First one, carbohydrates. Second one, protein, fats, vitamins. Carbohydrates are carbohydrates are energy givers, not body builders or protein. Okay, body energy givers. That fat also energy giving food. Next proteins are body building food. Vitamins are body regulator and protective food. Vitamins are, mainly the vitamins are only found in the vegetables. It is only give the growth and healthy. Only give the growth and healthy for the vitamins. Okay. Thank you, children.